Hello, food lovers! Today, we're making a roasted shallot appetizer on creamy yogurt packed with rich flavors and aromatic spices. Let's get started. Ingredients: 25 to 30 shallots, 8 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of red pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon of chili pepper, 1/2 cup of pomegranate syrup, 1 bowl of strained yogurt, 1 teaspoon of salt, chopped parsley. Peel the skin off 25 to 30 shallots and place them in a baking dish. Add 8 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything well, ensuring the shallots are fully coated. Cover the dish with plastic wrap and let it rest in the refrigerator for 1 hour to allow the flavors to develop. Preheat the oven to 170 degrees Celsius and roast the shallots for 20 to 25 minutes until they begin to soften. Once they're roasted, heat some oil in a suitable pan and add the shallots. Sauté them over medium heat for 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. When the shallots start to change color, add 1 teaspoon of red pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of thyme, and 1 teaspoon of chili pepper. Stir well to coat the shallots evenly. Now, pour in 1/2 cup of pomegranate syrup and let the mixture cook on low heat for another 5 minutes. If your pomegranate syrup is too thick, you can thin it out by adding a little water. While the shallots are resting for 5 minutes, prepare the yogurt sauce. In a bowl, whisk together 1 bowl of strained yogurt and 1 teaspoon of salt. Spread the yogurt mixture onto a serving plate and place the warm shallots on top. Garnish with chopped parsley if desired. Your flavorful roasted shallot appetizer on yogurt is now ready to be enjoyed. Let me know how yours turns out in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes. See you in the next delicious adventure!